Hi guys, this is the first upload I'm gonna do on this channel. I thought it should be something nice and simple, so it's just gonna be my tampon storage. So keep watching and enjoy. I've got 12 of the Tampax Pearl Compact Regular, 9 Lilette's Teen Applicator tampons, 12 of Superdrug Soft and Silky tampons. I think there's 10 of the Tampax Pearl Lights. They're not that rustly and they don't make sound, so that's good. I've got 3 of the Tampax Pearl Fresh Regular Actives, and these smell so good. And I need to buy more because I've only got 3. And I need to buy more of the Tampax Pearl Super because I've only got 1 and it's open because my sister opened it, which I was really angry of because I only had 1, and it just looks like that. It's super soft. So yeah, and that's the tampon. Like, subscribe and comment any requests down below. There will be an updated storage video, so yeah, look out for that. Bye.